Kaji yang lang keberingkong jongko kenhun menteri mentakas nem kalalong ha kasi pale jongko tayo. Bat kala ajing menjur ya ke ordinance banlum khajna no naki jing ele kai online bat ban pentri kam saya ke Swachh Bharat Mission Phase 2 ha ke jela berak kobai.
Menteri ke Sorkar jela bakmi ketenat penmi boarding James PK Sangma habekran bekilat pathai kubor. Ulong bagi Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kala ajing menjur ya ke Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Ordinance arhajar arpuwei bantek kendon berkenti ke jingnum khajna jong kejela lengbah ke jingile akai online. Ulong bagi Sorkar kala menjur ke ordinance hadin ke jingi opdiang ke jing ajing mut nak ketenat law bat finance. James PK Sangma ula pentip bagi kino ke bakwa bandedon benta hakin ke kam kin hab ban yok dekat license nak ke Sorkar jela bat kin hab ru ban botek patek ya ki kendon. Hagini ke jingelang ke Sorkar jela kala menjuru ke resolution ban penteri kamno ya ke Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin ke benta ke baar ha ke jela bat ban pelat ke bahak pisah kat kum kapor badai na ke benta ke program. James PK Sangma ulong ba ke jela kan salak ban pelat ke song pisah hadian ba ke jela kala dap tahu ki komiti ki ban penteri kam ke program. Nalor kani ulong ba ke Sorkar kala menjur ba ke song pisah jong nek program on supply ki village water and sanitation committee bakin penteri kam. Laban kedua hang ne baya ke Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin ke benta ke baar on penteri kam naduk ke senam arhajar arpuwei haduk ke senam arhajar arpusau arhajar arpusan hakri berok kawai bat on penteri kam yaka kum commission.
States shall become eligible to release funds based on attainment of the following conditions. So these conditions were namely that the state cabinet passes a resolution to implement the SBMG Phase 2 and commits timely release of state share for the program. Secondly, the state has to set up suggested institutional arrangements for implementation and management of the SBMG Phase 2. Thirdly, the state agrees to devolve funds to the Gram Panchayats for co-financing of SBMG components. And lastly, develops a project implementation plan and annual implementation plan.
Kakenhun menteri kala ai kejing menjuru ya ke Meghalaya Right to Public Services Rules arhajar arpuwei na kebenta ban penteri kamno iki kendon jong ke Meghalaya Right to Public Services Act arhajar arpo. Ulapan kenmau bag jing temu jong ke kaan kalong na kebenta ban penti kena ya kejing syakri hok jong kinong teri Sorkar ya kipat nong syok shnong kejela bat kejing pensaja kinong teri Sorkar ibam syakri hok. James PK Sangma ula pentip ru baka kenhun menteri kala menjur ke Meghalaya Housing Subordinate Statistical Service Rules arhajar arpo. Kabatmu na kabenta ban te kendon hakerukom tungkam ban penkiu kerdan bat kirkom trekam joginu ginu gibriu kibla syatung kum ki assistant research officer research assistant bat investigation hapo ke Directorate of Housing. Hagaju kopor menteri upentip baka kenhun menteri klekran ru halor ke jing ai jingmut jong ke standing committee halor ke interstate council secretariat bedai baka jing ai jingmut jong ke punchi commission. Upentip bagi dan katu kani jing ai jingmut daki dikhat ke kenhun menteri ya ke ban senang kan syuk hakis ngi bandang wan.
The Meghalaya Right to Public Services Rules 2021. As you all know, the Meghalaya Right to Public Services Act 2020 was notified on the 24th of November 2020 in the Meghalaya Gazette. You all already know that the objective of the Act is to provide for the delivery of notified public services to the citizens in the state of Meghalaya within the stipulated time limit, including liabilities of the government servants in case of default. So, to ensure the delivery of this Act, rules had to be framed, and these rules have been brought to the cabinet today, and these rules have been framed so that the implementation of the various provisions of the Act can take place.
Nalor kani ke kenun menteri kala ai kejing menjur ki kerteng bala ai jingmut dak advisory committee ke bani opdiang ya ke Khajna Meghalaya Day Award arhajar arpuwei. Ke Sorkar jela kala ai jing menjur ya ke kerteng ba Rafael Warjri na ke benta bani opdiang ya ke Khusnam Tirot Singh hak bedai bat ke art bat literature Reverend Dilsang M Sangma ya ke Khusnam Patugan N Sangma bat usamla Hamishania Asuyam ya ke Khusnam Kyang Nangba hak kamel akai.